So we will have 2 T-bone steaks.
2 T-bone
Yeah,
steaks.
we could put 1 table outside to eat. We eat here.
Eat the inside.
On the veranda. On the veranda, I could put table. Yeah.
Okay, no.
Alright, yeah, we'll bring it back after.
We'll bring it back in when we finish.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, let's take this one, the small one.
Alright.
Excuse me.
Uh-huh.
Does the T-bone steak only with the fried rice or the fries? Which one?
My one with fries. And he can't eat rice or fries because he has diabetes. You could get like extra vegetable, like salad or something for him on the side.
Vegetable? Look at too much vegetable.
It's alright, just the steak.
The fried rice, okay?
Yeah, get the fried rice. I'll eat your fried rice.
Okay, yeah, we'll fry rice.
Okay,
Sure.
one fried rice.
Yeah, sure. The steak is big, so
Yeah.
so we got to pick up something later.
Yeah. Yeah, carry this table outside.
The blue outside.
Outdoor dining.
This?
Inside is good.
I'll put a little more in. I don't want to block the entrance either.
We're gonna have outdoor dining.
We're outside of 88 fast food Chinese restaurant. Gonna have ourselves some Chinese food. A lot of the stuff are fried, so I can't have it, but they do sell steaks. We used to come here all the time when we lived back in Belize, and they got delicious steaks. Can't get anything with it because it comes with fries or fried rice, so I ordered with fried rice, and Doug P Vlogs is gonna eat it. And pull the table outside to eat on because it's too hot to sit inside. And I'm gonna enjoy some steaks in just a little bit. This is the main highway in Corozal, coming from Mexico towards Corozal town. Stay tuned, let's see how that steak comes out. Alright, the food's here. So if you are in Belize looking to eat low carb, there's not many options, but you can still get it done. Like I ordered T-bone steak here at the Chinese restaurant. Look at that. That's a lot of meat you get. They don't have veggie options or anything. We got fries and fried rice. That's what it comes with.
That's a lot of meat. Look at
But
this.
it's a lot of meat, exactly.
Yeah.
You might not even need the rice, or you won't need any side. Looks really good. Lots of gravy if you are able to eat rice. A little bit of veggies, carrots and onions. That was all they had. They said it's delicious. No plastic forks, so we're gonna have to do this caveman style. Ooh, and it's hot. It's very hot. Let's see if I can bite a piece off. It's good though. Delicious. And the problem is we gotta eat caveman style out here, but it's a fun experience. Keep on enjoying this delicious steak. Ooh. Still pretty hot. It is good. You gotta eat caveman style, rip it off with your hand. But hey, it's all part of the fun. It's so delicious. Meat is super tender, so it's easy to rip off. All part of the fun experiences living in Belize. If you're in Corozal, be sure to check out 88 Fast Food. I will try to put the Google Maps link in the description. Not sure if that works in Corozal. There's not much on Google Maps yet, but we'll see. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the steak. See you guys later on the next adventure.